I'm going to Izmir again, a dreamlike city on the Aegean coast. I will take a little break there. I booked a small boutique hotel in Çeşme, Alaçatı. After I've landed, I will pick up my rental car. I hope for a comfortable vehicle. The Renault Clio is ideal for me and has a large screen, which is unbearable with its strange color setting. Unfortunately, it gets worse. A warning message from the car appears on the way. The air from the tires probably needs to be increased. I just picked up the vehicle. I called the hotline the next day. I am promised over the phone that someone would come by shortly to change the tires. However, I forgot that I'm in Turkey and that punctuality is a bit different here. Nobody comes and I'm wasting my time at a gas station. Grinning but slightly annoyed, I make my way back to the airport. At the airport, I get the same car, only without damage. I don't allow myself to be negatively influenced and I'm going to Çeşme, Alaçatı. Çeşme belongs to Izmir and is one of Turkey's most popular holiday resorts. Alaçatı is a small village in Çeşme, known for its narrow streets, windmills, surf schools, and stone houses. The beaches and the bays leave you speechless. Despite the high number of tourists, especially in summer, Çeşme is more Turkish. That is what is special about this region. The nightlife in Alaçatı is vivacious and is the place to be when it comes to parties. But the Turkish government has something against it and only allows loud music until 1 a.m. Izmir is a modern city and does not reflect the current president's Turkey. They are dubbed the infidels by the conservative part of Turkey. However, the best known in Çeşme are the high prices, which can rise any time in summer, especially if you mention that you are from Germany. I am already expected at the hotel. I am the only guest. The employee wonders what I am doing here in December. I explain to him that it's very nice to relax here in winter. He is still confused and can't quite understand it, but at least he gives me an upgrade to a suite. A nice room with beautiful exotic plants on the terrace. I still focus on my vacation and go to Morta and Karaburun, a place that has yet to be discovered. While overtaken from all sides, I enjoy nature and the beautiful view. I have a few properties shown to me and try to avoid looking European in front of the broker. I tell him that I am an archaeologist from Istanbul. I take my role too seriously and get more and more into it. Strange, but maybe I should get an additional degree in archaeology. Before being shown any more houses I can't afford anyway, I head back to Çeşme to watch the World Cup final. I'm lucky, because at Sailors Alaçatı I get a seat to watch the game. There is even a big screen. Almost all visitors are for Argentina, but two older men are fanatical Mbappé fans behind me. After an exciting penalty shootout, Argentina managed to win the title. I am also happy and am then looked at grimly by the two older men. What a game. The next day I am on my way to Urla, a culinary stronghold just 37 kilometers from Izmir on the road to Çeşme. I first visit the Urlice vineyards. There I let myself be pampered and treat myself to a glass of wine. The nature and the relaxed atmosphere, priceless. Wine has been grown in Urla since ancient times. Internationally, Turkey's wines could get better attention. My next destination is the Urla Vinery, also known as Urla Şarapçılık. The facility is beautiful. I want to learn more about how Urla wine is made, and I am taking a guided tour where everything is explained in detail. I find it amazing how caring people work here. I ask myself a question: why doesn't Turkish wine get international recognition?
İstediğimizi elde ettik.
Güzel.
Ama yeterli olmuyor. Bu fıçımız Segun Mora'dan. Bir de Hüdo ailesi var, aynen yanındaki. Meşeyi iç kısmından yakarak doğal...
The Uzbaş Arboretum is only 2 kilometers away, a plant with centuries-old trees and palm production. I also like the in-house production of organic virgin olive oil very much. The nature in Urla is fantastic. I hope it doesn't get more touristy. However, my highlight is the Hot Urla, a unique restaurant and one of the most successful in the country. It is in the middle of a village. Osman Sezener continues his father's tradition, turning his farm into a dreamlike restaurant. The Hot Urla team designs their recipes with products from their agriculture and uses an open fire when preparing, which makes the taste unique. I drive on to the big city of Izmir. There I visit the district of Alsancak. Here you can shop, stroll and enjoy the sea. A lot is going on here, especially in the evening. If you have ever been to Turkey, you will have noticed a lot of street dogs and cats here. In winter they don't get enough to eat. Izmir in particular is known for its animal love. Many people treat the dogs and cats as their own. They are mostly harmless but sometimes very aggressive. It's best not to show fear. For many tourists, this situation takes getting used to. I am enjoying my last days driving through the beautiful Aegean coast. The car is beneficial in this region. You are independent and can rent a car for little money. Requirement: you book early enough. I like to stop somewhere and breathe in the sea air. The sound of the sea, the wind, and the beautiful mountains take all my stress away. Unfortunately, this short vacation is coming to an end. I'm heading to the airport and looking forward to my next destination. Every place and every person has its own story. Life is more than just money, business, or security. You have to take a closer look. Look at the sky. Let the sun touch you. Talk to the trees. One thing is becoming increasingly clear to me. We are never alone.